Hello everybody, my name is Ross Chad from ProSteamUK and we cover parts of Surrey, Hampshire and Berkshire. Professional carpet and upholstery cleaning service, and we also specialise in cleaning Cardine and MTK flooring. Now, if you have a commercial property with a carpet which looks similar to what you can see right now, then it's probably time you give us a call. We're actually working in a barn which has been converted into a tea rooms, and the carpet was laid, actually, believe it or not, in November, and we are now in July, and lots of tea, coffee, food spillages and attracting soil from outside. We are on a farm, so a lot of dirt is going to be tracked in from outside, so it's very important that this carpet is professionally cleaned, and we have a method which hasn't actually failed us yet, called encapsulation cleaning. And this is our brand new machine. This is the Atom, and the Atom, as you can see, has actually pulled out a huge amount of soil from this carpet, and we have now got amazing results. Can you see the line across here? So this is how this part of the carpet looked before we cleaned it. Okay, so there you have it. Great results, and you know something, that carpet is barely damp. And we can achieve dry carpets anywhere between 30 to 60 minutes using this method. So, if you're sick to death of looking at the carpet in your office, all those tea stains, food stains, and it's probably time you called us. So why not visit us at www.prosteamuk.com or call 01252 319 391.